The parking brake handle is a single piece. To replace it, you must first remove the center console. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. Then you need to safely raise and support the vehicle and remove the rear wheels. You will want to turn the rear hubs until you can see the parking brake adjuster and then loosen it completely. With the new handle installed, you're also going to be resetting your parking brake shoes. For additional assistance with all of those tasks, again, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. You can now separate the parking brake cables, blue arrow, from the handle, red arrow. With the center console removed, unclip the wiring harness on the right side indicated by the red arrow. If you haven't already removed the two parking brake cables, blue arrows, from the mechanism, red arrows, do it now. Disconnect the parking brake switch by squeezing in on the small tab, red arrow, and separating them. Remove the two 13mm nuts on the left side and the two on the right. You can now lift the handle off the tunnel. Installation is the reverse of removal. Torque the 13mm nuts to 23 Nm or 17 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.